this section is about probabilities of independent events. So here's the definition right here. Events A and B are independent if knowing whether A occurs does not change the probability that B occurs. So here's question 1. Is event B dependent or independent of event A? Well, a mosquito lands on your arm and you get a mosquito bite. Well, it seems as if a mosquito lands on your arm and you get a mosquito bite is dependent. Alright, so a green ball is drawn from a box with 5 balls and placed next to the box. A red ball is drawn next and placed next to the green one. So those would actually be dependent events because the chances of getting a red ball would change since the number of balls are different in the box once you take out the green one. Number 3 says a Chicagoan visits New York on vacation, so he visits Central Park. So those are dependent events because the probability, oops, sorry about that, I think I spelled dependent wrong over here too, whoops. So the probability of him visiting Central Park is dependent on him being in New York, so that chances of him visiting Central Park change simply because he was in New York. Okay, so a bird lands on your head and the bird lays an egg, so that would be independent, and you know that would be true because he might lay the egg on something other than your head. How about that? Alright, so 5. You cook your chicken improperly and you get salmonella poisoning. Those appear to be dependent events because the getting salmonella poisoning, your chances changed once you cooked your chicken improperly. So I hope that you, from this video, see the connections between independent and dependent events. We'll talk more about this in the next section.